Hey Daisy, how's it going? She's like trying to get me. She's like, yeah, I'm gonna get your leg. So I was trying to use my GoPro, which I think is not good for low light quality, you know, because it had like a lot of static to it. But I'm using my iPhone 16 Pro. But yeah, Daisy's over here. She's getting used to Fantasia. Yeah, Daisy. I don't know why the GoPro, it costs $400, dang thing. But you can't do the low light stuff because they'll start staticking out. And the picture look like it's 480p. You going, Daisy? She's gonna go that way. Daisy, Daisy. Yeah. But I might take 2 videos off my YouTube probably later. I don't know. But I just gotta see. Because like I said, the quality's okay, but it's not doing so good in some areas. Yeah, Daisy. She wants to play, but I don't know about Daisy though. Yeah. Anyway, subscribe for more Daisy content.